Hi children, welcome back to Natural Resources class, 8th Standard Biology. I am Madhavi, your biology teacher from BRGS. Let's start the lesson. In the last video, we have discussed about the types of natural resources. So let's have a quick recap. In the natural resources, there are two types, living resources and non-living resources. In the living resources, forest, wildlife, these are all the examples. And non-living resources are two types, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Under the renewable resources, there are two types, inexhaustible and exhaustible. Inexhaustible are solar energy, wind, so water, these are all the examples for inexhaustible. Exhaustible are wildlife, forest. Inexhaustible resources are it can't be used up completely. So exhaustible means we can use up completely, and to regenerate these things it takes long time. Let's see some of the video visuals for better understanding.
Our precious natural resources. The
Natural
materials available on the
Our precious natural resources. The materials available on the earth sustain life. These materials, like rocks, minerals, coal, petroleum, air, water, plants, and animals, are called natural resources. These are gifts of nature to human. We must conserve these resources. Conservation means judicious or wise use of our resources. Human beings have used natural resources at a very fast rate without thinking about the consequences. Deforestation, that is cutting of trees, has led to soil erosion, loss of soil fertility, and floods. Industrialization has caused problems of waste disposal and pollution. We should take measures to conserve our natural resources. Natural resources can be further divided into two types, renewable resources, which can be recycled, which can never be exhausted, and non-renewable resources, which can't be recycled and which get exhausted. And renewable resources, that sun is one of that. The energy which get from the sun is called solar energy. It can be changed into electric energy and stored in batteries. Next is wind. This energy is used to generate electricity, operate windmills, draw underground water. And next is soil. Plants and trees grow in it. This provides us with everything, from food to basic necessaries such as firewood, timber, food, medicines, etc. Medicines and water also. No life is possible without water. Sources of water are river, ponds, lakes, and oceans. It falls on the earth as rain or snow. And there is underground water under the soil. This can be taken out of by laking. Then forests. These are a source of various types of fruits, medicines, firewood, and timber. They produce us with oxygen. And coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are formed from plants and animals which got buried underground a long time ago. Coal is found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. Assam and Gujarat have some important oil fields. oil is refined in plants called refineries. And next is minerals. Minerals are substances that are found in rocks. Rocks from which metals can be obtained are called ores. Ores are refined and converted into pure metals. Iron is the most useful metal. Beside iron, manganese, mica, copper, gold, and silver are other metals found in India. So let's have a recap in the form of questions and answers. These are some of the questions I have given here. What are the natural resources? The things that occur in nature and that are useful to us are called natural resources. And differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. This question is very, very important, girls. So, differences between renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources can be replenished and continuously available for use and are inexhaustible. And what is non-renewable resources? These resources cannot be replenished. They get depleted. That is, they are exhaustible. Means we can't regenerate it. And what are the uses of water? So the uses of water are as follows. Water is very much essential for the existence of life. Do you know that very well? And it is a factor for many aspects of life, such as environmental stability, biodiversity, conservation, fuel security, and even healthcare. And water is used for various human activities like drinking, agriculture purposes, washing, and recreation. Water is used for heat exchange processes, industries, and fire extinguishers. The largest use of water occurs in the agriculture sector. In the agriculture sector, we need water. Water is used for producing electricity by hydroelectric power plant. So these are all the uses of water. And what is mining? Mining is the process of extraction and processing of minerals. And what happens if too much of fossil fuels is used? So when we use fossil fuels too much, what happens in this universe? Let's have this answer. See, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. They cannot be replenished once depleted. Too much of the uses of fossil fuels leads to energy crisis in the near future. So when we use these fossil fuels like petrol, coal, so these are all things, then what happens? In the future, we may not get this fossil fuels like coal, petrol and all. So that is the reason we have to use this properly whenever we want, we need. And the next question is, this is a student argues that a nation will be rich if its forests are conserved. Explain. So this is the answer. Forests provide many products like resins, gums, dyes, lac, fibers, wax, honey, medicines. Forests provide raw materials for various wood-based industries such as paper, board, rayon, etc. Forests provide timber, which is an important material in constructing buildings and furniture. Forests have aesthetic value and provide opportunities in tourism. Therefore, forest plays an important role in the country's economy. So girls, please watch this video till you understand, and make the notes out of this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.